Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit Fashion Morning Filter using Lightroom Mobile. Before we start, please subscribe for more free Lightroom presets. Here are examples photos before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Exposure to plus 0.55. Contrast to minus 28. Highlights to plus 36. Shadows to plus 55. Whites to minus 61. Blacks to minus 48. Next go to Curve. Follow these steps. And done. Next go to the Color panel. Temp to plus 24. Tint to minus 6. Vibrance to plus 30. Saturation to minus 11. Next go to Color Mix. First go to Red. Hue to minus 35. Saturation to minus 46. Luminance to plus 34. Next go to Orange. Hue to minus 4. Saturation to minus 17. Luminance to minus 18. Go to Yellow. Saturation to minus 80. Luminance to plus 40. Next go to Green. Hue to plus 100. Saturation to minus 94. Luminance to +50. Go to light blue. Hue to +35. Saturation to +60. Luminance to +70. Next go to dark blue. Hue to -19. Saturation to -9. Luminance to +45. Go to pink. Hue to +86. Saturation to +6. Luminance to +100. And done. Next go to Effect panel. Clarity to +17. To Ace to +29. Go to Split toning. Highlights, H2, 334, and S2, 12. Shadows, H2, 334, and S2, 10. Balance to +16. Done. Next go to Detail panel. Sharpening to 11. Masking to 70. Noise reduction to 20. Color noise reduction to 25. And finish. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Follow us on Instagram. And see you in next video.